DJT stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? Watch this 1 minute video till the end because I'm covering the Trump media stock analysis and price predictions. So today we're also down 15%, which is absolutely quite a lot. Um, the last thing that I'm gonna do right now for me is blindly be bullish. No, this is not what I'm gonna do. So what I'm like the only way that I'll really be bullish here in this situation, because we definitely started melting hard is if I start to see the list double breaks happening, and this is only going to be from a 2 hour perspective, really, because actually, no, I'm going to get rid of it for right now. Like, really, just going down, there's nothing I can do about it, except maybe just draw a demand area here and just wait. So, for example, if I see the price give me a double breaks to the upside from here on, that's a good that's a good way to go and look be bullish, but only if the bulls first take control. For right now, the bears are in control, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye. So for more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.